Hi, this is Tihana from Real Estate Fortune, and today we will show you a bright two-bedroom apartment in Rovinj. Apartment is laid out on the first floor of a newly constructed building in a serene street in Rovinj, approximately 15 minutes of walk to the nearest beach and not even 2 kilometers from the center of town. It is modernly equipped and insulated and has its own parking and storage space. It stretches over 50 square meters and with 2 bedrooms seems like a perfect fit for accommodation of 4 people. It comes furnished to a large extent, therefore the new owner can move in within a short period of time. And special thing about this beauty is simply gorgeous and vast terrace where you can enjoy your days. Thanks for watching, until the next time.